Hello everyone. It's a very long felt need of all concerned professionals in the scientific field of speech, language and hearing to have an association of our own in the state of Kerala. And thus the Kerala State Branch of Indian Speech and Hearing Association was formed in 2003 with the aim to provide quality speech and hearing healthcare to the needy by fostering high ethical standards and competence in professionals engaged in the delivery of those services, which is our mission. And presently, we are having a total of 563 members in our association. We, the Isha KSB, have procured an office space in the heartland of Cochin in Heavenly Plaza, Civil Line Road, Chembumuku, Kakanad on 22nd May 2015. That was really a proud moment, as we have been the first speech and hearing association in the country to own an independent office. The aims and objectives of the association encourages the basic scientific research and experimental work in speech and hearing. We will be bringing together members periodically for CREs, seminars, workshops, etc. and works for the speech and hearing affected population in Kerala and cooperates with the medical and allied associations for our betterment. We make sure subsidiary rules and regulations and code of ethics in the practice. We will also look into the malpractice in our field and necessary actions will be taken accordingly. We support NGOs and will also make sure the members are having job satisfaction and also make sure the better services are given for speech, language and hearing disabled. There are many remarkable activities done by our association, and in that the important one is the action we have taken against the malpractice in our field. Isha KSB was on constant fight against malpractice in the field of audiology and speech pathology. The association had filed a petition in the Honorable High Court of Kerala with some solid evidences of malpractice during December 2013. The case was called in 2016 and the Honorable High Court has passed a favourable judgment. The Honorable High Court of Kerala was pleased to pass the direction to RCI to constitute a committee to enquire about the same and directed RCI to take immediate actions against the non-professionals and report back to the Honorable High Court within a period of 3 months. Following this, RCI South Chairperson, legal advisor and the team came for inspection as first time in India on 20th and 21st of January 2017 and inspected different centres which were reported by Isha KSB. They found the complaint was genuine and issued show cause notice to the fraudsters and gave strict warning that the act should not be repeated. And we found that the centres which were inspected by RCI are not functioning now and qualified audiologists with valid RCI registration are joined and practicing in the same places. And another remarkable activity was done after receiving so many complaints regarding the non-professionals working as speech therapists in different units of SSA. We forwarded the complaints to the director of SSA and the member secretary of RCI. In response, now we got a circular stating that the people with necessary qualification only should work as speech pathologist at SSA, and the circular is valid till now. Our social commitment was seen when Kerala witnessed the biggest natural calamity, the flood, and for rebuilding the state, Isha KSB also took part in the process. An amount of Rs 1,65,000 was handed over by General Secretary and Executive Committee members to our Honorable Minister, Sri E.P. Jayarajan. Isha KSB thanks all its members who generously contributed to the fund. Every year, different programs were organized by Isha KSB on World Deaf Day and World Hearing Day. On the year 2018, we observed World Deaf Day by distributing hearing aids to 12 underprivileged hard of hearing patients from different parts of Kerala. There was a good response from the media and the event was widely covered in newspapers and visual media. Different contests were organized by Isha KSB on World Hearing Day, and some of them are TikTok video contest, photo contest, drawing competition, etc. And WHO public awareness posters were also distributed. Isha KSB, Indian Medical Association, Association of Otolaryngologists of India, Indian Academy of Pediatrics, National Initiative for Safe Sound and Rotary Club jointly organized a walkathon on World Hearing Day in 2020 at Kozhikode Beach. Isha KSB members, doctors, IMA members, IAP members, Rotary Club members, academicians and students from various institutions participated for this event. Together we made this event a grand success and spread awareness about ear and hearing care. Another major milestone of Isha KSB is by requesting post of audiologist and speech therapist under National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness (NPPCD) in Kerala. And National Health Mission has appointed audiologists in various district and taluk hospitals in Kerala by our initiative. Isha KSB represented in Labour Commissionerate for the minimum salary scale for ASLP working in private organisations and private hospitals in Kerala on November 2017. Government officials called a hearing on 13/3/2018 and 16/3/2018, and the association has also participated. The Minimum Advisory Board and Government of Kerala had issued a notification on 23/4/2018 for all professionals including audiologists. We all have to be proud that our state had implemented RPWD Act 2016 state rules in March 2020. Isha KSB had successfully worked on suggestions and modifications of RPWD state rules in association with Social Justice Department, Government of Kerala. Isha KSB instrumentally acted on the earlier draft guidelines of therapy centers in Kerala due to the mass protest from various sides. Isha KSB officials has attended various meetings on the government level and official level to make the draft best for the professionals and the beneficiaries. Finally, Kerala Social Security Mission, Government of Kerala had conducted a workshop at Thaikad Guest House on 26/2019 for setting up minimum standards of audiology and speech therapy centers along with other rehabilitative professionals and submitted to the Government of Kerala. The final draft will be notified by the government soon. Isha KSB noted that more than 120 ASLPs are working in various government sectors on contract basis. Isha KSB has done various meetings with Financial Minister and Finance Secretary on September 2019, and we strongly claim our right to be included in Category 10 of the pay scale. This is also in the final proceedings now. Isha KSB has taken initiation for creating permanent posts at existing and new medical colleges in Kerala, and favorable response was received from DME and Health Minister. Isha KSB officially received letters from concerned department about this. Isha KSB and Starkey Hearing Technologies were featured 2 times in Flowers TV Comedy Ulsavam with the presence of South Indian film actor Padma Shri Jairam. So come, join and work together to strengthen our association. For taking a membership of Isha KSB, please visit www.ishakerala.org for more details. Follow us in Facebook, Indian Speech Language and Hearing Association, Kerala State Branch. Thank you so much for watching the video.